Hey everyone, we all love a good bonfire, right? It's the centerpiece of a great evening. But let's be honest, nobody loves playing musical chairs to dodge the smoke. You know the struggle, stinging eyes, coughing, and smelling like a chimney for 3 days afterwards. That is exactly why I wanted to talk about the Breeo X Series Smokeless Fire Pit. You've probably seen these metal drums popping up everywhere lately. They promise a massive fire with zero smoke. But does it actually work, or is it just a gimmick? Today, I'm breaking down the good, the bad, and whether this thing is worth the investment for your backyard. First things first, let's talk about how this thing is built. When you get your hands on a Breeo, the first thing you realize is that this is not a cheap big box store fire pit. It is built like a tank. It is made 100% in the USA in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. The model I'm looking at uses heavy gauge steel. It feels substantial. Unlike some other smokeless pits that can feel a bit flimsy or lightweight, the Breeo is designed to sit in your backyard and stay there for a lifetime. It's incredibly sturdy, and frankly, it looks beautiful, especially if you go with the Corten steel option that develops a natural rustic patina over time. Now, the million-dollar question, is it really smokeless? The short answer is yes, but you have to use it right. It uses a double-wall airflow system. Basically, cold air gets pulled into the bottom, heats up inside the walls, and then shoots out through holes at the top rim. This superheated air hits the fire and burns off the smoke before it can escape. It's called secondary combustion. Once you get a hot coal bed established, usually about 15 or 20 minutes in, the smoke just disappears. You get all the heat and none of the tears. But here is the feature that I think actually makes the Breeo better than its competitors. It's the sear plate rim. See that wide, flat edge around the top? It isn't just for decoration. It is a solid steel cooking surface. You can throw burgers, steaks, hot dogs, or even toast buns right on the rim. Because the fire is hotter in the center and cooler on the edges, you have total control over your cooking temperature. It basically turns your fire pit into a wood-fired grill without needing any extra attachments. It is a total game changer for backyard parties. Now, nothing is perfect, so let's address the downside. The Breeo X Series is heavy, seriously heavy. Because it's built with such thick steel, this is not a portable fire pit you're going to easily throw in the trunk of your car for a camping trip. If you are looking for something lightweight to move around constantly, this might be a struggle. This is meant to be a permanent fixture in your outdoor space. So, the final verdict? If you want a fire pit that is virtually indestructible, cooks amazing food, and keeps the smoke out of your face, the Breeo is absolutely worth the money. It's an investment, but it's likely the last fire pit you'll ever need to buy.